everybody, Jrock here with Team UOP, and what I'm going to show you is the set of trades from when I first started with IML and Team UOP in Forex trading. And I want to go through the list to show you exactly what I did, how I did, and the mistakes that I made, so that you will know not to make these same mistakes, because it will cost you dearly. Now, take into consideration I have 20 plus years of experience in trading the market, so I know how to trade based on technical analysis, and that's what we teach you here. So you see I put $1,000 in on June 20th, and then I made my first trade at 1.04 lot on $1,000, way over leveraged. First mistake. I made $15.85 in a few minutes, then I made $74.53 a few minutes later, and then Auto Trader was at 0.03 on my account. So they made any trade you see with 0.03 or 0.04 when I bumped them up. Then I made $40, 1.04, 118, 98, 35, all still in the same day within a few hours. Next page, there you see $1.17 again on Auto Trader. 166, I made 36, so I bumped my risk tolerance up to 1.30 lot, which is $13 per hundredth of a penny move. Then there you see at the bottom, Auto Trader made me a few bucks. Then I made $74.59. I said I'm going to go a little bit higher. I bumped it up to $15 per hundredth of a penny. I made $214.152. Scroll up, I still had some sells in at 1.3, $13 per hundredth of a penny move. $36, $11.70. I had one in at 0.90, which is $9, and 63 bucks is what I made. Then I had one at 2.0 lot. I bumped it up a little bit more, so I had a $20 per hundredth of a penny move on a $1,000 account. So $20, 5 pips would be 100 bucks down. So I was just scalping for 5 to 10 pips each time. Made $122 there. Bottom of the page, you see 122. Auto Trader made me some money. Then I took a pretty good mistake there. I had a 2.0 lot, and it went, that was $20. So it went really quickly against me. So $20 into 500 goes 25 times. And basically I had, I want to say, 25 pips that went against me, and I did not have a stop loss in place. So whenever you don't use a stop loss, then and you're over leveraged, you're going to get your head knocked off. Going forward, Auto Trader made me some trades, and I went to 1.5 and then back to 2.0, and I did really good on those next trades. I knew what I saw, and I made 876 and then 824. I had put in a couple of 2.0s. Next page, see 824 at the bottom. I had another 2.0 on that same trade, made 739. Auto Trader. Then I had 2 small trades that I jumped out real quick when it looked like it wasn't working in my favor. 2 losses. Then I went on to 5.0 lot, which is $50 per hundredth of a penny move. And you can say I got lucky. I do know what I'm doing, but I was very high risk trading. 415, 456, 312, 282. All in a row I made that. Scroll over, you see 282 at the bottom. Then I kept going. 144, 165, 84, 94, 132. I bumped up to $60 per hundredth of a penny move. Very few mistakes that I make. And then I got up to $70 per lot, per hundredth of a penny move. I made 301 and 273. Next page at the bottom, Auto Trader made me some more. All on that page was Auto Trader making me some money. And then here we go, the last page at the bottom, you see I bumped it up to 10.0 lot, which is $100. Then I made it to 20 lot, which is $200 per hundredth of a penny move. I made 1660, 700, and 1300. Then I put in 2 more 20 lot orders, and I fell asleep. No stop loss. And so I gave the market back $10,000 of the $12,000 that I had just made. So when I woke up and looked at that, I went, "You're kidding. You can't be serious." So I learned the power of the Forex market, that it will take your money back if you do not trade according to strategy, the rules that are laid out for you by the coaches and the leaders, you will get your head knocked off every single time. Well, let's look what happened after I woke up and saw that. I smacked myself and said, let's get back in the game. All right, at the bottom. So if you see the time there was 6:26, the date was 6:26 at 1700. If I back up at the top, you see the date was 6:26 at 1534. So that's when it closed out. So I woke up about an hour and a half later and saw it, and then I went after it again. Straight back to a 7-0 lot. I probably had about $1,000 or $1,500 back in my account because I gave up almost everything I had. So I did $70 per hundredth of a penny move there. I made $1,000, then $318 on a 6 lot, then a 5 lot. Then I jumped back to a 10 lot. Then I did some 5 lots, and you see the gains that I was making. Here we go again. I went back to a 10 lot, made $1,000, made $1,700. Went to a 20 lot, made $2,000. 10 lot, made $1,000. And then I did another 20 and a 10, and I fell asleep because I'd been up for probably 24 hours straight trading because it was exhilarating. And I was glad to finally be back in the game and back to being what I was good at. But as you see here, I gave back $10,000 of everything that I had just made again over the course of 10 trades. So the point is, I didn't have a stop loss. I broke the rules of the game. I over leveraged, and I paid the price. So you will too if you do not trade with proper lot sizes, with patience. If you do not follow the rules of the coaches and the leadership team, you will lose every single time. If you are impatient, if you do not do what we tell you as far as the strategies are concerned, and you get into trades that we don't tell you, you trade multiple pairs at a time, 5, 6, 10 pairs instead of 1 or 2, you're going to lose. And you will be hurting. You will be off back to your 9 to 5. So if you take it slow and steady, you do what we ask you to do, and you learn from us, you're going to make a lot of money. I guarantee it. So here's to prosperity. Thanks for listening.